So I've just removed my other eye makeup that I just applied, and now I put a little bit of cream on the eyelid again and underneath the eyes. Now some of you might be thinking, well, what happens if I have a lot of puffiness around the eyes? Certainly the cream helps to reduce the puffiness if used on a daily basis. But what I use myself, is you could always put some the toning lotion on. This has to be alcohol free. Toning lotion on some eye pads, also cucumber hydrosol on some eye pads, and lay them on your eyes for a little bit, and it will help reduce the puffiness. And then apply a little bit of the cream, and then it should be a lot more reduced after a while. If you do have a lot of dark circles, you can apply a little bit of concealer, but make sure you don't apply concealer right on the puffy areas. So if you apply concealer, just apply it in here and also anywhere where there's darkness, but don't bring it out here. The idea is to bring the eyes out rather than trying to hide things. So going to the bedroom eye look, I've got my Kajal pencil, I have a clean brush, and again I'm going to take from the side. I'm just going to use my mirror here, just easier. So I wouldn't use the black one like this, it's a little bit too intense. I'd use the black more as a accent or as the highlighter. So I'm going to make this a little bit more dramatic than the brown. This formula, this bedroom eyes pencil, was the first color I made that I started using myself. That was about just over 20 years ago, and I've stuck with it pretty well since then. Now this is where the tip can come in handy if you want to apply underneath, or you can still use your brush to give it a little softening. You don't want any hard lines, especially over the age of 40 around your eyes. So you could use the angled brush here as well. Now you don't have to be perfect, you know, you can always blend in more as you go along. So now I'm going to look at what eyeshadow I use, and because it's like a grayish brown, I was thinking of putting a little bit of the pink, the ice pink in here. So this is my palette, and I was thinking of going for a little bit of that on the lid itself, or the gold. So you can, this is not really a gold, it's the new, I've called it French Bisque, and it's not quite as gold as in the palette here when it goes on. It's like a soft bronzy. So I think I'm going to use that one. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Silver White highlighter. I'm also going to use this in the middle here. And again, I'm just going to put on some mascara, and then you can see if you like this look. So this is with the Bedroom Eyes Kajal eye pencil and the French Bisque eyeshadow with the highlighter, the Snow White, or Silver it's also known as. So if I want to make this a little bit more dramatic, you can also, these are useful to use, you can also use these in the waterline. So you could use the harder pencil, or you could use just the so this is the bedroom eyes in the lower waterline. You could also do the upper waterline or just above as an eyeliner. And I thought it could come even more dramatic now using the black. So again, what we do here, if you want to make it more dramatic, this is the black eyeliner. Normally I wouldn't use the black so much because because I'm older, but for now, let's just see what it looks like. So this look is with the Kajal pencils, bedroom eyes, and also the Satin Noir black eyeliner Kajal, which is being used in the inner waterline on the lower lashes and just above the lashes, so it makes it a little bit more dramatic. Great for an evening look. These pencils, these Kajal pencils, are great for people who have sensitive eyes because they have a low ingredient count. And two of the main ingredients in these Kajal pencils are castor oil organic and organic jojoba oil, which are both really beneficial for the lashes and the skin around the eyes. So wherever you may be, stay beautiful till next time.